Let's move on now. The true horror of Pathankot terror is being revealed 24 hours after the audacious attack. The latest information reveals that at least 10 defense personnel have been martyred in the attack, a sharp rise from the figure of 3 doing the rounds till this morning rather. The death includes 3 Defence Service Corps, 2 Air Force staffers and 2 IAF Garud Special Forces commandos. Combing operations meanwhile still continue inside and outside the Air Force base. There is still a possibility that one or more terrorists from the original group may still be active in the area. Explosives are also being diffused, one of which turned deadly today, killing a senior army official and injuring several others. Armoured vehicles along with NSG commandos have been deployed for the search. Meanwhile, Punjab top cop Suresh Arora and NIA teams reached the site today. NIA will officially take over the probe from tomorrow. However, the agency has already started its preliminary investigation into the attack. Manjeet is still with us from Pathankot. Manjeet, NIA is going to take up the case from tomorrow, but we understand that preliminary investigations by the NIA have started. Is there any word from their end?
Well, Maha, NIA will probe the incident after the operation is over. What we are told, what the sources told us is that they had security agencies had intercepted 4 calls on the intervening night of Friday and Saturday, which were made to Pakistan. 3 of the calls were made to the handlers and 1 call was made to one of the relatives. So the handlers were also heard rebuking the terrorists, and they were asked why they set the senior cop who they had abducted, why he was not taken hostage or why he was released.
Okay.
So they were on the basis of the 4 calls which were intercepted, and the agencies were also able to find out their whereabouts, their location. That is on the basis of these calls that it was revealed that the terrorists who struck the Pathankot Air Force station were in fact Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists.
Okay,
so the investigations are still going on.
Right.
A number of agencies are working on it.